Exiting the Windows Insider program is simple. In just a few clicks, you can opt out and return to the stable version. Stay tuned as I guide you through the process. Access the Settings menu on your Windows 11 device. Select the Windows Update tab and click on the Windows Insider Program button. Click on the Stop Getting Preview Builds button. If you just want to stop receiving new builds every time Mycroft releases one, switch the Stop Getting Preview Builds option to On. If you want to leave the Windows Insider program, click on the Unenroll this device immediately and follow the listed steps. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.